what you're doing? Do you mind?
Once it's ready.
I got it. I've never seen this. Oh God, it smells good. Ooh. What's in there?
Apple martini. Apple tobacco.
Apple tobacco?
Yeah. Martini. Martini. This is halfway to drink a martini. If you put the water inside, this is full way to drink a martini.
Is it like a cigarette? I haven't smoked one, so I wouldn't know. Oh, but it's tobacco, so of course, how stupid, of course.
It's good.
Smells really good.
Apple martini, it's not regular apple.
Too bad we don't have smell-o-vision.
It's good.
Good?
From New York, Brooklyn.
Yeah, I'm going to put this on YouTube so my friends in Canada will see this. Thank you.